If you are truthful, you will survive. If you lie, you shall perish. May the eyes of cowards never sleep. When I am in the battlefield, I love it more than my wedding night with the most beautiful of women. The earth destroys its fools, but the intelligent destroy the earth. Do not say that. How few are the Romans, and how numerous are we? An army's strength lies not in numbers of men, but in Allah's help, and its weakness lies in being forsaken by Allah. When Allah decides a matter, it is done. And here I am, dying in my bed, like cattle die. May the eyes of cowards never sleep. Submit to Islam and be safe, or agree to the payment of the jizya tax, and you and your people will be under our protection. Else you will have only yourself to blame for the consequences. For I bring the men who desire death as ardently as you desire life.